Hey there, Able Vision team. I was actually checking out your Amazon strategy here, and I would like to congratulate you for having a positive 4.60 ratings. I know how hard it is to achieve, and seeing this, it's a job well done. My name is Jen from the Amazon Guy. In this video, I'd like to walk you through a few potential opportunities your team may want to consider. First thing I'd like to discuss is traffic. So, what drives traffic delistings are keywords, and this is your keyword distribution for the past 30 days. You have over 200 of organic and over 40 of paid keywords. So, this tells us that you have good foundation, but considering that you're in a high traffic category, there are tons of additional keywords to bid on and index for. We typically recommend a healthy golden ratio of 1 is to 2, which means that in every two organic, we aim to have one paid for better traffic and conversion. Looking at your paid, you're really skewing low on your paid keywords compared to your competitors. And we all know it remains the fastest way to boost visibility and sales if you know what keywords to target. So you might want to consider adding more or running more ads for your listing. So we can still improve your numbers, and let's see how your keywords are currently performing. So I filtered this on one of the important keyword from the word cloud. These are your rankings, and it's great to see that you're visible twice at the top of page one for this highly relevant keyword, 3D glasses, over 6,000 of searches. Now, if you have good rankings, we still encourage you to update your strategy from time to time. Competitors are actively working to improve their ranking, and maintaining your edge really requires continuous optimization. But you might still need to improve your visibility, since a lot of keywords here you're on the higher double digits. And every time you see these rankings, you're sitting towards the bottom of page one. Ranking at 1 through 50 is where you are visible on your first page. And if you're sitting towards the bottom of page one, currently not producing much for you. Moving closer towards the top of page one could help improve your visibility and help you to have more potential traffic so you can convert them into sales. And we can help improve your ranking here by bidding on for these keywords. It will boost products visibility, help your product get in front of more potential customers. So I'd like to show you how big your category is. Just in the top 50 listings on one keyword alone brought in $1.6 million in revenue. It looks to me there's a lot of market share to take advantage of, and this is to give you an idea that your category is huge. So, these are the past 30 days of sales and revenue. This brand here, LFS, they have generated 410 unit sales and over $20,000 in revenue. Your brand can be seen here, so there's a pricing gap. You have generated 378 unit sales and over $20,000 in revenue. So as you can see, they were able to outsell you. And I'm not doing any product comparison here. I just want to give you an idea how this brand is managing their keywords. I'd like to show you their keywords distribution, and you might want to benefit from their strategy. And this is what may be driving this brand's higher sales. As you can see, they're indexing for 344. They're running ads for 78. So if we're going to take a look at your strategy here, they're bidding on and indexing for more keywords. So they have higher chances of ranking for key search terms. And right now, there's a great potential for your brand to also outsell your competitors here by improving your current strategy. We can run a keyword gap analysis. We can take top 10 of your competitors, identify the top keywords you're ranking for. We can incorporate that delisting that we can have similar visibility as leading brands are getting. Now let's go back to your product detail page, and great job as you are meeting the standards here. However, Amazon roll out new updates for product title. It is limited to 75 characters, and you might want to update this and focus on high value keywords so you can still maximize your visibility. Now, instead of overloading bullet points here, it's going to move in a top highlights, which you need to have. I mean, you might need to have like a focused or customer focused benefits. So we can talk more about these updates if you book a call with us and speak with one of our experts. Now, looking at your images, I really like this one. You have your infographic, you have your lifestyle, and you have your videos as well. Let's proceed with your A plus content. Okay. You have a brand story, you have your images here for your A plus content, but what's missing here is scrollable text. Let me double check your brand story. All right. Your texts are embedded to your photo. Adding copies here can help double your organic and get more visibility with Amazon's algorithm. So, those are just a few tips. Here at Me Amazon Guy, we are a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands, $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. If you want full recommendation, you can book a call with us, speak directly with one of our Amazon experts. Thank you for watching.